Have you ever wondered why people snore? Snoring happens when the air you breathe can't move freely through your nose and throat while you sleep. This is because the muscles in your throat relax too much and the airway becomes narrower. As air struggles to get through, it causes the tissues to vibrate, and that's what makes the snoring sound. There are many reasons why people snore. It could be because of sleeping on your back, being overweight, or even having a cold or allergies that block your nose. Drinking alcohol before bed can also make it worse because it relaxes your throat muscles even more. If you want to stop snoring, try sleeping on your side, staying hydrated, or using a pillow that keeps your head elevated. And if it happens often, it's a good idea to talk to a doctor. Snoring might seem harmless, but it could be a sign of a bigger problem like sleep apnea. Sleep well and let others sleep well too.